Stuck with the Netcfgx library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before we begin the walkthrough for Netcfgx library, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the Netcfgx library, the Network Configuration Engine library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of network component installations and configurations. It facilitates the data link between the registry and the network stack to manifest changes in adapter settings or protocol bindings. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Netcfgx is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scannow to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Netcfgx library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If the restart didn't help the program find the file, we need to manually register the DLL pointer in the registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a pointer in the registry. If the program can't find that pointer, it doesn't matter if the file exists, it won't load. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading Netcfgx library DLL from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to Netcfgx library. To support our technical team and receive updates on Netcfgx library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.